In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom camera is not working. If your video isn't turning on or you're seeing a black screen in Zoom, don't worry. Follow along, and we'll walk through a clear sequence to get your camera working again. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer and heading into Settings. On Windows, click your profile icon or the gear icon near the top right of the Zoom window. On Mac OS, you can also go to the menu bar and choose Preferences. This is where we'll make sure Zoom is looking at the right camera and using the correct settings. Inside Settings, go to the Video section. In the Camera drop-down, pick the device you actually want to use. If you have both a built-in webcam and an external USB camera, make sure the correct one is selected. You should see a live preview. If you don't, switch to another camera in the list and wait a moment. If your camera has a privacy shutter or physical switch, make sure it's open and ensure the lens is not covered. If the preview is still blank, close other apps that might be using the camera in the background. Only one app can usually control the camera at a time. Fully quit programs like Teams, Skype, FaceTime, Google Meet in your browser, or any streaming and recording tools. Don't just minimize them, exit them completely. If needed, check your taskbar or menu bar to confirm they're closed. Next, check your computer's camera permissions to be sure Zoom is allowed to access the camera. On Windows 10 or 11, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Camera. Turn on camera access for the device and for apps, and confirm Zoom is enabled in the list if it appears there. On Mac OS, open System Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Camera, and make sure Zoom is toggled on. If you're prompted to quit and reopen Zoom, go ahead and do that. Now restart the Zoom app to refresh its connection to the camera. Fully quit Zoom so it's not running in the background, check the system tray on Windows or the dock on Mac OS, and then relaunch it. Return to the video settings and look for the preview again. If you still don't see video, restart your computer. A full restart clears any lingering processes that may be holding on to the camera. After the reboot, open Zoom, join a test meeting, and confirm that your chosen camera shows a live preview. That's it. By selecting the right camera, closing competing apps, verifying permissions, and restarting Zoom and your computer, you'll resolve most camera issues quickly. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next Zoom meeting.